In this video, you'll learn how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Zoho Mail. This process will allow you to manage your email effectively using your own domain name. Begin by navigating to the Zoho Mail website, open your web browser and enter the Zoho Mail URL. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once you are logged in, locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Sent folder to access your sent emails. This step ensures you are on the correct interface to proceed with the domain setup. Next, click on the Settings gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the interface. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings to enter the configuration options available for your account. After accessing the Settings menu, find the Anti-Spam section on the left sidebar. Click on it to open the anti-spam settings, which will allow you to manage email filtering options. Within the anti-spam settings, look for the option labeled Domain. Click on this to access the domain management features. This area is where you can add or block domains as needed. A message will appear explaining that you can add domains to either the allowed list or the blocked list. This feature helps control who can send you emails. Read through the information provided to understand how it works before proceeding. Next, click on the Add button to start the process of adding your GoDaddy domain. This action will prompt a field where you can enter the domain name that you wish to connect to your Zoho Mail account. Type in the domain name that you acquired from GoDaddy. Ensure that the domain is spelled correctly to avoid any issues with email delivery. After entering the domain, click on the Add button to finalize the addition of the domain to your account. Once you have completed these steps, a confirmation message should appear, indicating that the domain has been successfully added. It is advisable to check your email settings to ensure everything is configured correctly, especially if you are dealing with a large number of emails or if your domain is new. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.